Alright guys, just a quick one today. I have my leather sheath knives here, and as you can see, some of them need work. They're getting a bit of mold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use some cleaner, maybe some wipes, clean them all off, and then I have some leather treatment stuff here. Personally, I keep all my stuff organized in a little sharpening box. But let's just tidy these up a little bit. That's the mold gone. I'm just gonna treat it after. I'm going to have some clean and shiny sheets that you can store away until you use them again.